Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today I'm going to show you the dash button. Well, I got an email after I said that I was going to do this monthly, and they are discontinuing the Prime Suites. Order it. What you do is you take this button right here and you push it, and see how that lights up? It's blinking with the internet. And now it turned green, which meant that Amazon Prime has my order. I got my Prime Suites box in the mail. Let's open it up and see what they've given us this month. So when you open the box, it looks like this. Gives you the 4 items that are in the box. As you can see, there's 4 different things. Gives you a little bit about it. So let's just take a peek. This is chocolate chip rum cake. It's in a little bitty, what do you call this, a bundt pan. It's got chocolate chip written on it. You can see a couple chocolate chips. That's one. This is Maggie's, no. Yeah, Maggie's, it's an artesian tart. Pocket of Joy, it's also chocolate. Looks like a gigantic cookie with some type of cream. Oh, it looks like it's jelly filled from here. And then we have Fatty Sundays, chocolate covered pretzel, birthday cake bites, a sweet and salty snack. It's pretzel pieces that are covered in white chocolate and vanilla cookies with rainbow sprinkles. It doesn't look like it would be much white chocolate. And last says Sweet Whispers, gourmet fruit-filled meringues, and it looks like there's 2 of them in there. It doesn't say how many's in there, but it looks like 2 of them. And that's it. So that's the 4 things. My daughter and I went ahead and pushed the Prime button one more time for the month because it's now over. I think it was till the 8th is what they said, or something like that. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to open that box next. And we'll probably open that box together because we want to see whether we each got the same exact thing since we pushed our buttons on the same date. That's it for now. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. It's a shame that it's been discontinued. Bye-bye.